Yeah, guys, me started saying here today. I just wanted to show you something. So, this monitor I have right here, like this Alienware monitor, is only 1080p quality. Because I can even show you. Look, if I click this, go down to others, go to display info. If you see right there, it says 1080p. That's the maximum it can go up to, 240 hertz. But if you like, that's the thing I don't understand. Look, I'll show you. So guys, I'm on my PS5 right now, and if I click on screen and video, there is a 1060p option, and I don't understand how that's even possible because my monitor is only 1080p. If anyone knows why this has happened, please let me know down in the comments. Even though it is quite good though, because now I can record my last 30 seconds of clips on games at 4K. It will look good because when you release them on YouTube, the quality will look really good. It's just weird as well because I can use 4K, but I can't for some reason use this. If I can use 4K, surely I should be allowed to use this for some reason. Also, everything else I can use, but I can use 4K. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Also, even if I test it, it won't say I can't have it because connected HDMI device doesn't support 1440p output. I don't have VR either. I don't think I can't have that either. It's kind of funny, I've got 120 Hz output automatic, but when I go on a game with 120 Hz, I can't enable 120 Hz, so it might be a bit bugged out. I don't know what even happened. I don't know what this does either. If you guys can let me know, that's absolutely fine if you can. It surely should just say it from the text. It does just transfer rate of 4K video output. If your screen flickers, try selecting -1 and -2 to limit for transfer rate. Yeah, because wait, let me see. Current video, look. Yeah, look, see what I mean? Resolution. How have I got that? Also, the reason why I turned off HDCP is so I can be able to record videos on my Elgato. Because if you have that on, you can't record videos with your Elgato. Because by having this HDCP turned off, you can't watch YouTube and that, but that's absolutely fine because I don't mean to use my PS5 for watching YouTube. I mainly use it to play games, so it doesn't really matter. And also information about it. Yeah, look, see, 1080p, not supported for those two things. That's absolutely, I don't really care really. That's weird. And what about this? Yeah, no, it's wait, what? Wait, automatic. Oh, recommended. Yeah, guys, is it good to have automatic? Even though it says recommended, but do you think it's better to have full or limited or automatic? I don't know. But either way, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video and peace out.